Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be showing you what I got from the Heavy Planner. So the box came here a few days ago. I've been so busy at work I didn't have time to show you guys, but let me show you now. So when you open it, you get this really gorgeous flower inside. So this is a box I'm definitely going to be saving. There's this beautiful paper, which I already peeked in here, and you get quite a few things. So you get a sticker book, so you get a classic notebook. Let's pull that out. You get filler paper, metal discs in classic size, die cut sticker, which is this, clear sticker sheets, which are these, transparent sticky dots. Okay, that's that. The book, and then snap in things, and then this. So that's all that's in the box. Let me go ahead and open and show you all of this. Look how beautiful this card is. You can definitely use this as well if you choose to. Let me open up the notebook first, and we will go from there. Oh, these are packaged so well with this protective styrofoam thing. I really like that. Okay, so clear discs with this gorgeous cover. So you have this, which says bloom from within. Oh, mine has scratches. Interesting. Okay, and then the inside is this. Then it's just lined layout. So we have this beautiful divider, and this is the other side, and then this is just a lined page. You're doing amazing with a little floral, and then the back is just dots. So these are all the pages. Then this is another divider, and this one says beauty in every day, and this is the back. So gorgeous. One more divider. Oh, be strong enough to be yourself. And then the pages are the same everywhere. And then this is the back, so reversed. And this is the outside of the back. So it is a gorgeous notebook. And these pages look like this. So they have, let me take one out so I can show you. Probably not very visible with the light. Okay, so they are outlined with this white, which I really love. It says note and things. I'm gonna pop this one actually into the planner, into the notebook. I don't feel like putting it back into the pouch, and I'm keeping all of this stuff, so it's fine. The die cut is beauty is all around with this beautiful sticker. Let's open this and see what this looks like. So this is the bookmark. Oh, it is clear. Okay, so it's clear and it has these flowers, and they're very vibrant. I'm trying to see if there's a film on this, but maybe not, maybe yes, I'm not sure. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not sure if there's a film on this, and I'm gonna try a little bit later to possibly take it off, but this is what it looks like against white, and it's absolutely beautiful. Then we have these clear sticky notes So I'll show you what those look like. So I use clear sticky notes in my planner all the time. I actually have a pretty big assortment of them. These are all transparent. So I'll show you how cool this is, because if you write, okay, even let's take this because it's written already. So I'm gonna take one of these. These are beautiful colors too, the pink and the green. Let's take a look. Okay, is that one or more? Okay, it's more than one. I knew I was going to do that. Okay, so now it's one. Look, even though I put joy, you can still see that. Same thing with these. I have some clear ones and some colored ones. So I'll show you, because they're pretty cool, right? If you put it down, you still see it, but you can write on them. I just write them on them with a MUJI. So take a look. Okay, let me just make this dark so you can see. Okay, so that writes pretty well. Let's see on these. Hi, super smooth, super nice. See? Awesome. So you can still see the writing, and then they're transparent. So they're kind of fun to play with. So a lot of transparent dots, and they do have the pre-punched snap. So if you wanted to put it on the notebook, you definitely could. So they don't go anywhere. Okay. The discs, let's go ahead and open them. I'm gonna be very gentle and open the box. They're mint green. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. Oh, they are so pretty. Take a look. These are mint green. This is almost like a Tiffany blue. Look at the difference. These are gorgeous. And then this is green. They're like very much minty green, and they are metal. And they're beautiful, and they have the heart cutouts. So classics. They're a classic happy planner, and they are for the classic size, so medium. There's 11 of them, so you can use it on your big heavy planner, but the size is the medium, so kind of like a classic. Okay, so that's the discs. Let me go ahead and show you these clear stickers. I'm super excited about these. They look super fun. So let's take a look. Oh, look at this. Oh, yes. So these are all clear. There's 4 pages. Look at this. Bloom. Bold and bright. Wow, that heart. These are gorgeous. And this. Oh, enjoy the journey. Such a happy day. These will be kind of fun to fill in the spread. Look at this. These are beautiful. And then there's this one. Lovely, lovely stickers. And then the sticker book is called Flora. So let's take a look. So first we have this box page, which is beautiful. Sorry, there's a thunderstorm up here. And little flags. And then these are rounded. I like these actually. And look at the boxes. Oh my gosh. Look at these. I love the outlined florals. And these are rounded outline. I really like those as well. And then rounded washi tape. That's awesome. With quotes. And then you get pastel ones. And then you have these circles, which is awesome. And then these little guys. And then journaling, sidebar, or I use this in the middle of the week for recipe, shopping list, and actually recipes ideas too. So these are beautiful, and look at all of these bullet points. Look at these are fun. Oh, these are beautiful. They have little plants on them. Oh my gosh. Okay, today I'm feeling, so a feeling sticker, actual washi tape. Look at that. Oh, and now we're into some big quotes. Wow, these are beautiful. So are these. I love this book already. And then we're into clear stickers, so you get some of these: bloom, create joy, smile, happy, dream, shine. And then you get gold foiled, and they are clear. And you get colored outline. Okay, and then these are gold foiled, also clear. Do what you love. The plan for the day. Such a happy day. Life is a gift. On the agenda. Okay, so these are on clear. So are these. I think the rest of them are on clear. So yeah. So the rest of the sticker book is on clear. Look how pretty these are. Look at these outlined ones. I love it. Okay. So again, this box, this happy box, comes with a value sticker book called Flora, 4 clear sticker sheets. That's kind of new for Happy Planner to have them completely transparent. This die cut that says beauty is all around. And then mint metal discs. This beautiful page marker. A notebook. These clear round stickies, and then filler paper. So I would say it's definitely worth the amount that they're charging. You actually get a lot of stuff. If you got one as well, let me know down below. Let me know which item is your favorite. You probably already know that mine is the stickers. Actually the sticker sheets and a sticker book. Let me know what is your favorite part of this box, and as always, thanks for joining me. I hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you very, very soon for another plan with me. Bye!